Welcome everyone, it's Brian Gibson here. And today isn't uploaded on special day. One of my owner's fans voted on his community tab on what he should do next, and he'll be making a Plotagon video. So today's video is a voice change and tone test. Well, I'm afraid that something might get worse in here. But enjoy. Hi.
It's me, Brian Gibson here. Wait. Only the exclamations aren't affected.
Like what? Those floating heads and the creator glitch that only we could see?
Oh no, someone help us. Wah. We hate this creepy glitch around so much. To be. Oh my gosh, I'm infected too. Make it stop.
It's weird. But good.